Hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy Friday to you. I hope that your day is off to a wonderful start. We have made it to the end of another week. Yesterday, I had the privilege of attending the first day of the Missouri Council for History Education conference downtown St. Louis, and it was an amazing day of learning that I will be definitely bringing into my classroom. Some really great tools, tips, and tricks that I can utilize to kind of help not only make myself a better teacher, but also make my class a little bit more enjoyable, especially when it comes to projects and things of that nature. So I'm excited about what is to come. Today, I am attending day 2 of the conference, so I will not be with you all. As always, when I am absent, I expect you to be on your best behavior with the sub. Also, I want you to go to Google Classroom under the classwork tab. I want you to go to the weekly agenda and find this week's agenda and then find today, Friday. I want you to find the work that's on there and then complete whatever it is that I have there for you. If there is a due date and a due time, make sure that you adhere to that, or you will be penalized for not having your work submitted on time. As always, be on your best behavior. Have a great, safe, happy weekend, and I will see you back in the building on Monday. Take care.